Have you ever found yourself facing challenges, wondering why your efforts don't seem to yield the desired results? The solution might be found in the transformative power of visualization. When done correctly, visualizing your goals has the potential to instigate a remarkable positive shift in both your personal life and the broader universe. If you're watching this video, consider it a signal that you are on the verge of experiencing a significant change. Keep watching until the end, and by the finish you will have the secrets of visualization and how to apply them to manifest anything into your life. Getting into ancient wisdom, we explore the teachings of Hermes Trismegistus, dating back to 3000–5000 BC. Hermes, revered as the thrice greatest for his mastery over physical, mental, and spiritual realms, is the foundational figure behind Hermetic teachings. He wisely said, "As above, so below, as within, so without. All things are a microcosm of the macrocosm. What you think internally, you will manifest externally." These age-old principles continue to shape contemporary personal development concepts, emphasizing the profound interconnectedness of all aspects of existence, an expansive realm comprising every conceivable reality and quantum possibility. Ever thought of your life as your personal TV channel? Well, you're the one holding the remote, and the thoughts and feelings you choose are like the buttons you press, shaping the reality you experience. It's like tuning into different channels of life. When you try to change things around you by taking actions, it's like manually adjusting the channel. But guess what? There's a more powerful remote, and it's all about what's happening inside you, your internal actions. Now let's talk about envisioning your dream life. Imagine it like creating your favorite show. Neville Goddard, a big believer in this idea, said it's not just about thinking, it's also about feeling and vividly picturing what you want. And here's the exciting part. We've got 3 key techniques that can supercharge this process, making a big positive impact on your future and helping you overcome any challenges you might be facing right now. So, get ready to unlock the full potential of your personal remote control. Take a moment to imagine what your future looks like and what you want to achieve next. Successful individuals share a common trait. They are forward thinkers. Rather than getting caught up in past mistakes or dwelling on current challenges, they keep their gaze fixed on the future. Here's a valuable insight. Recognize that the present swiftly transforms into the past. So when faced with setbacks, approach them with the understanding that once an event has occurred, there's little benefit in excessive worry. Shift your focus from the rearview mirror of setbacks to the windshield of opportunities lying ahead. As Marcus Aurelius once said, "Very little is needed to make a happy life. It is all within yourself in your way of thinking." In other words, acknowledge and learn from the past, but don't let it weigh you down. Direct your attention and energy towards the present and future, where you can make a real impact. By doing so, you're not just envisioning your ideal life, you're actively creating the path to get there. Keep your eyes on the horizon and let's move ahead with purpose and determination. Take a moment to imagine yourself accomplishing a goal that's important to you. Close your eyes and visualize not only the end result, the goal itself, but also the journey to get there. Imagine the steps you'll take, the challenges you'll overcome, and the ultimate feeling of success and accomplishment. This isn't just daydreaming, it's a powerful mental exercise. Now, here's the interesting part. The more you practice this visualization, the more you're programming your mind. You're essentially telling your brain, "This is where I want to go, and these are the steps I'll take to get there." It's like setting a GPS for your goals. By regularly engaging in this mental rehearsal, you're creating a mental roadmap. Your mind becomes attuned to recognizing opportunities and situations that align with your vision. It's a subtle but powerful shift in mindset that can make a significant impact on your journey toward success. So go ahead, visualize your success and watch how it shapes your actions and decisions in the real world. Create an environment filled with positive messages and thoughts related to your goal. Having a positive mindset is crucial for overcoming doubts and negativity, which can be major roadblocks on your path to success. Surrounding yourself with affirmations and optimistic thoughts helps build the mental strength needed to tackle challenges and stay focused on your objectives. By fostering positivity in your surroundings, You're setting the stage for a more resilient and determined approach to achieving your goals. Epictetus once mentioned, "We cannot choose our external circumstances, but we can always choose how we respond to them." Taking a large goal and breaking it down into smaller, more manageable tasks is a strategic approach that not only makes the entire process less intimidating, but also offers you the chance to revel in and acknowledge small victories along your path. This not only boosts your morale, but also ensures a steady stream of motivation to keep you moving forward. Moreover, being flexible in your approach is a key ingredient for success. Life is dynamic, and sometimes unforeseen changes or opportunities may arise. By maintaining an open mindset and being adaptable, you position yourself to handle these shifts effectively, potentially discovering new, more efficient avenues to reach your goal. This adaptability becomes your strength, enhancing your overall resilience and increasing the likelihood of success on your journey. Process visualization is a powerful strategy that involves more than just thinking about the end goal. It's about embracing the entire journey. Envision yourself not only reaching your destination but actively participating in the steps that propel you forward. Start by visualizing the familiar, the actions you already know, and then gradually move forward step by step, building on your existing knowledge. This method allows you to appreciate each stage of your journey, making the process more tangible and achievable. By focusing on the individual actions that contribute to your success, you not only clarify your path but also enhance your motivation. It's a dynamic approach that recognizes the significance of the small steps, turning them into building blocks for your overall progress. Envision yourself navigating the path towards your goal with deliberate and purposeful steps. Imagine each small action you take as a building block, contributing to the gradual realization of your dreams. Concentrate on the evolution of your efforts, cultivating a mindset where your thoughts and emotions work synergistically to turn your aspirations into tangible achievements. Buddha mentioned, "What we think, we become." This approach underscores the significance of continuous improvement, acknowledging that success is constructed through a series of incremental advancements. By harmonizing your mental state with positive thoughts and emotions, you unleash a formidable force that not only propels you closer to your objectives, but also enhances your overall journey. Embrace this method as a transformative process that not only makes your goals more attainable, but also enriches the profound satisfaction derived from every step forward. Imagine yourself facing challenges head-on, equipped with the resilience to conquer them and the adaptability to evolve your strategies. Picture the dynamic process of navigating obstacles, transforming setbacks into stepping stones on your journey to success. Embrace each challenge as a valuable opportunity to learn and refine your approach, fostering continuous growth and development. Maintaining flexibility in your mindset allows you to seamlessly adjust your strategies as needed, ensuring that you not only endure unforeseen circumstances, but also thrive amid change. This versatile approach transforms your pursuit of goals into a dynamic and fulfilling adventure, where every twist and turn becomes a chance for innovation and progress. The journey toward your aspirations is marked by your ability to creatively overcome challenges, turning them into catalysts for personal and professional advancement. This mindset not only strengthens your resolve, but also opens up new avenues for achieving your goal, making your path to success both resilient and rich with opportunities. Another crucial factor is intention. To shape your reality, it's essential to have a clear goal, a carefully planned process, and a strong commitment. Intention involves two important aspects: inner and outer intentions. Inner intention refers to your personal drive and belief in achieving your goal. It's the passion and determination within you that propels you forward. Outer intention, on the other hand, is about the external forces and energies that contribute to your success. It involves a deep-seated belief that you will achieve your goals, akin to knowing the ending of a movie while eagerly anticipating how the story unfolds. By understanding and balancing both inner and outer intentions, you create a powerful synergy that propels you towards success. Your unwavering personal commitment, combined with a belief in the supportive forces around you, forms a potent combination that accelerates your journey towards your desired outcome. This intentional approach not only guides your actions, but also shapes your mindset, fostering a determined and confident outlook as you navigate your path to success. Personal determination is the driving force that propels you to take action and remain committed to your goals. It's the inner strength and resolve that push you forward, enabling you to overcome challenges and stay focused on the path toward your desired achievements. Having clear and specific goals, along with a strong commitment to reaching them, forms the foundation for your success. It means knowing exactly what you want to achieve and being dedicated to making it happen. Turning your dreams into reality involves a cycle of visualization, action, and celebration. Celebrate every small success, reinforcing your belief in reaching your big goal. This cycle transforms what may seem like a distant dream into an achievable reality. Achieving something usually follows the common advice of hard work, spreading your message on social media and pushing yourself. But unexpected challenges come up requiring adaptability. Being flexible, along with a strong belief in your goal, keeps you moving forward. Your goal is like a treasure map, with inner intention as your compass and outer intention as the wind in your sails. Adjusting your sails doesn't mean you're off course. It means adapting to reach your treasure faster. Combine flexibility with outer intention, deeply believing in your goals. Visualization is crucial, imagining not only the steps but also how your goal will materialize effortlessly. This changes your mindset, seeing challenges as opportunities and setbacks as learning experiences. Your journey is enriched by the people you meet and the experiences you gain. These encounters often hold valuable lessons and opportunities that push you forward. Visualization helps you recognize and seize these opportunities. As you practice intention visualization, your confidence grows, making you more prepared to take on bigger challenges. Increased confidence is a natural outcome of repeatedly seeing yourself succeed in your mind's eye. Visualizing your improved self means imagining the qualities and superpowers your better version would possess. Visualize these traits as they form the foundation for your personal growth. Imagine 5 extraordinary abilities or superpowers for your improved self, highlighting areas for personal development. Envision the daily habits of your improved self, creating a blueprint for your transformation. Gradually incorporate these habits into your life. The embodiment phase combines all the concepts discussed to help you become the person you've envisioned. Consider how your improved self would perform tasks. It's about the spirit and intention behind actions. Ask yourself, what would my improved self do in this situation? To make choices aligned with your aspirations. Act and think consistently like your improved self, even if it feels like you're pretending initially. Small changes in behavior and mindset, accumulated over time, lead to a shift in your reality. This transformation is a gradual process of adopting the habits, thoughts, and behaviors of your improved self. By consciously shaping your behavior and mindset, you notice positive changes in how you respond to situations and challenges, aligning with your goals and values. Thank you for undertaking this transformative journey with us. We hope these insights on visualization and personal development have inspired you to unlock your full potential. If you found value in this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more empowering content. Remember, your mind has incredible creative power. Visualize your goals, take intentional actions, and watch the positive shift unfold in your life. Until next time, stay inspired and keep evolving.